So when two diagonals and three sides are given, when four sides and a diagonal were given, we first draw a triangle with the available data and then try to locate the fourth point. That we have done in the exercise 4.1. The same technique is used here. Okay. Now one example is given. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that BC equal to 4.5, AD equal to 5.5. So let us see here, BC is 4.5, AD is 5.5, then CD is 5 cm, diagonal AC is 5.5 cm. So CD is 5 cm and diagonal AC is 5.5 cm and diagonal BD is 7 cm. Okay. Then first what we have to do, we have to draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral so that we will be able to understand that which line segment is of how much measure and which line segment we can draw first. So rough sketch of quadrilateral ABCD we have to draw, and studying this sketch we can easily see that is it possible to draw triangle ACD first. Okay, so let us see. We will start with the drawing of triangle ACD. For that, draw the line segment AC first of 5.5 cm. Now taking A as center and with the help of rounder taking the measurement of 5.5 cm, draw one arc, and then after taking C as center and with the help of rounder taking measurement of 5 cm, draw another arc. Okay, these two arcs will intersect at a point. Name that point as D. Okay, so this will be using SSS construction because we have got all the three sides. Okay, so draw triangle ACD using SSS construction. Now we need to find B at a distance of 4.5 cm from C and 7 cm from D. So now what happened, that we have to locate the fourth point, that is B. Now from D we have to draw the arc of 7 cm. We will draw this one line now. Okay, so draw the arc of 7 cm. So and from C this point B is how much, 4.5 cm away. So from C take the measurement of 4.5 cm with help of rounder and you cut this arc. So this will be point B. The point of intersection of the two arcs will be point B here now. Okay. So then with C as center draw an arc of 4.5 cm. B is somewhere on this arc. So B point we will get. Now you will join the point AB and CB. Then after B lies on both the arcs, B is the point of intersection of the two arcs. So mark B and then we will complete the quadrilateral ABCD. See, we will join this AB and BC and also DC and AD. Okay, so we will get the quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Construction of quadrilateral practically. Let us start with exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. 1. Quadrilateral LIFT. LI equal to 4 cm, IF equal to 3 cm, TL equal to 2.5 cm, LF is equal to 4.5 cm and IT equal to 4 cm. Let us start to draw quadrilateral LIFT. So we will take the measurement of 4 cm and draw segment LI. So this is 4 cm and this is LI, 4 cm. Now, so segment LI of 4 cm we have taken. Okay. Now with I as center and radius equal to 4 cm, we have taken radius equal to 4 cm and we will draw the arc. Now with L as center and 2.5, we will take the measurement of 2.5. And cut the previous arc. If we cannot cut, we will extend the previous arc. So join it. Now take the measurement of 3 cm 3 centimeter, and with the radius from center I, radius 3 centimeter, draw one arc. Now at last take the radius of 4.5 centimeter and draw the arc with the center I. Draw the arc with the center L. So this is our last point F. This is point T, this is point F, and now we will join the points Fi and Tf. So let us write the measurements now, and now this will be 4.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And this is 4.5 centimeter. So our quadrilateral LIFT is ready. Quadrilateral GOLD, OL is equal to 7.5 cm, GL equal to 6 cm, GD equal to 6 cm, LD equal to 5 cm, and OD equal to 10 cm. To draw quadrilateral GOLD, so we will draw the line segment LD first 5 cm. So this is 5 cm LD. Now taking LS center and radius equal to 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter radius, we will take the LS center and draw the arc. Again from DS center, draw another arc of 6 centimeter. It will intersect each other. So name this point as G. Now with again DS center, take the arc of 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter we will take. Okay. So from here take the arc of 10 centimeter, and from point L take the measurement of 7.5. and draw the arc. From here 7.5. So this will be the point O. Now we will join these points. So this point with L and these 2 points. And now with G and D. So we have joined GD, OG and OL. So let us mark the measurements now. This is the diagonal of 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter diagonal. This is the diagonal of 6 centimeter. Another one. And this is the 7.5 centimeter measurement. This is 6 centimeter. And this is 5 centimeter. So our quadrilateral GOLD is ready. Question number 3. Rhombus BEND, BN equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. Start drawing quadrilateral BEND, that is rhombus BEND is given. Now first we will draw the line segment of DE of measurement 6.5 centimeter. So let us draw DE 6.5 centimeter. Now we will take the perpendicular bisector. Now perpendicular bisector, see this is DE, and we have to take the measurement of more than half. So approximately this is half, and more than half means we will take more than half. So we will draw the perpendicular bisectors on both the sides. First, taking E as center, draw the arc on upper side and also on the lower side. Okay. Then with D as center, draw the arc on upper side which will cut the previous arc, and here down side also draw the arc from D also. It will cut the previous arc. Now we got the 2 points of the perpendicular bisector, so we will join them. So it will be, name it here P and Q. Now this line, that is BN, is given 5.6. So BN equal to 5.6. So we have to make it half. So 5.6 divided by 2 equal to 2.8. So this will be 2.8 and this will be 2.8. So now we have to take the measurement of 2.8. So let us see. Taking the measurement of 2.8, so we will draw the arc this side, upper side and also lower side. So these will be our 2 points, that is B and N. Now we will join them. So join DB, then BE, then NE, and DN. Now we will write the measurements. This measurement is full 5.6 and this one is 6.5 centimeter. This one full. So our rhombus BE and D is ready. BE and D is ready now.
Construct the quadrilaterals up to exercise 4.2 in your classwork and write the steps of construction. Thank you.